Hi guys, it's Anissa. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, hello. Usually I do, you know, my regular schmegular Boxycharm unboxing, but oh honey, you're in for a treat today. We don't just have one Boxycharm. We have two. We're gonna start with the base box. Oh, this is just what the inside of the box looks like first glance. This is a Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. These are so expensive and they're probably, I feel like, the most hyped high-end face masks. Restore radiance and balance skin's biome. Like the biome of the earth. What's it called? The atmosphere. Don't listen to me. I don't like berries. Like any type of berry, I'm not rocking with it. Next, this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. The packaging is giving me like tropical vibes, which is really making me so sad because I just want to be on a beach. This retails for $18 and this is actually pretty big. It's 6.4 fluid ounces. I've said this before. I really don't know if I believe in my micellar water. I just, it rubs me the wrong way for some reason. Good soap and water will never do you dirty, and don't you forget that. They are really stepping their game up, guys. I have never gotten any type of facial product that has to do with my skin tone. So this is the Trestique Face Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. Okay. This claims to have a flexible coverage with lightweight feel, and this retails for $24. This is Haas Laboratories. It's an eyeliner. I don't wear eyeliner. I don't know why they keep trying to send me eyeliner, but I think it's a sign from the universe that I need to learn. This retails for $20. The last thing in the regular box is this Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Naked. Scandalous. And this retails for $21. It's not matte. It's a satin finish, which I've never used liquid lipstick that doesn't, or even heard of liquid lipstick that's not a matte finish. This box has some pretty high standards to live up to, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, and this one comes with foam. They are not playing. First glance, it looks like I got a lot more skincare in this box. This didn't come with the paper, so I have no clue how much everything retails for, but I'll put it up on the screen. This is the Pure Heals by Nature Village Centella 90 Ampoule. I don't know if this is a serum or a moisturizer, but it says you're supposed to apply it after toner. Oh yeah, this smells very down to earth. Next thing we have is this Sugar Rush by Tarte Lip Butter Balm, and this is in the color Peony. Aw, this is cute. Look at it. Next, we do have a makeup product in here. This is the Too Faced Neutral Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I don't think I've ever seen any advertising for this, so I don't know if this is just exclusive to Boxycharm, but I've never seen this palette advertised. She is very heavy. The packaging is super, it's like a jewelry box kind of vibe. Oh, okay. Well, the only colors that I would use are the 6 to the right. I feel like certain, and I'm gonna try them, but certain light colors just come off chalky on my skin tone. And this mirror is huge. I don't think I've ever, I'm not gonna blind you guys, but I don't think I've ever had a mirror that is this big. Next we have, this is the Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. I have tried their exfoliator and I'm actually using it up right now. I don't like it. It's awful. It leaves like a film on my face. I can feel it. It's not like exfoliating. I did get my eyelash extensions again and I'm wondering if I'm going to have the same reaction that I did last time. As you guys know, my eyes got just super flaky. Just because I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to them, but me not getting them is not an option. So the last thing, I think I got another eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D Inkwell liner. This is in the color Inkwell Lolita. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Between the boxes, one had more makeup than the other one did, but overall there's not a product in here that I really would not use. If you guys like watching these videos, please give them a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any subscription boxes that you guys buy, if you've tried any other ones, what you like, what you don't like. Talk to me, guys. Let's be friends. Let's interact. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.